Hey everyone, in today's TikTok video, I want to show you how to add your own music to your TikTok video. So if you don't want to use the songs inside of TikTok library and you have a song somewhere else, this video is going to show you how to add that to your TikTok video. And basically the trick is to not use TikTok to create the video. You'll just use another app to create the video and to add the music. Then you just upload it to TikTok. So inside TikTok, if you press the plus sign here and you record the video in here, it's only gonna let you add song right here from the song library they have. So you could search and do the playlist, for example. But that's not what we want to do. What we want to do is we want to go to the App Store here, and the same process is true on Android, but you basically want to look for a video editor, and there's a whole bunch of them. I've used a lot of them to get this done, but my favorite is this app called InShot Video Editor that I have downloaded. So make sure you download this, and then if you press open on it, it's going to ask you to upload the video first, then we're going to add the music. So let me get out of here for a second. Let me go to my iPhone camera. I'm going to go to video here and then just go ahead and basically record the video that you want to upload. So let's say this was the video I wanted to upload, and we don't have to worry about the song at this time. And I'm going to press stop. Now I have the video. Now I'm going to go back to the InShot app that we downloaded. Now I could press video. Now that I recorded the video, I'm just going to press new. And here under the video tab of my phone, I'm gonna choose the video right here. This is the video, the first one I recorded, and press the check mark on the bottom right, and the video has been imported. Now I need to mute the sound from this video because I don't wanna use that sound. I wanna use my own music. So on the bottom, you see the track, press the track, and I'm gonna change the sound right here to 0. Now I won't have any sound. Then I could add my own music. So you see right on top of that track, there's the music icon. Press that. And you could either record. If you press record, it's going to get access to your camera. Either right now it's recording what I'm saying, but you could be playing a music, for example, on a different device, and then that will record it. And then you could press the check mark. You could also go to tracks. And if you go to tracks, again, you have the list of songs here that we don't want to worry about, but there's the iTunes options. If you press that, it's going to choose the things from your iTunes here. And if you go back to featured option, you see how to import. You could press that and see how to import from somewhere else. So for example, it says you could use AirDrop to send something from your computer to your iPhone. For example, if you have a Mac, if you don't have it, you could use iTunes. And if you don't have that, your best bet would be to press record and play a song in the background and then record that. Let's say we use the track that we have on our music library here. I'll just choose Dreams here, and then you could press use if you have it right here on your library. Now it says we need to edit the song and the video together. I'm going to press OK. So as you could see, if I just take the song and I grab it, I could put it right on top of my video. So now the video and the audio are going to play at the same time. I could always press the music track, press edit, and actually make it shorter or start at a different point. So I'm just going to make this shorter, for example. You could change the volume if you wanted to here. You could fade in and fade out, and then I could press the check mark. And now this is going to nicely play right here. And when I'm done, I'm going to press the check mark right here one more time. And now the video and the audio are together. Now I just have to export this out of this app to get it into TikTok. You could always press the plus sign, obviously, here to add more clips if you wanted to make a longer video. Now on the top right, you see that upload icon. Press that and save the video. And it's going to export it here with the music that you added from your own custom music. And now it's been saved. But it does give you some options here to upload it to Instagram, YouTube, and so on. We don't want to worry about that. We want to jump inside of TikTok. And here on TikTok, if I press the plus sign and go to my upload right here, the latest video with music is this one. I could go ahead and press it and then press next here. And I'm just having this on mute because I don't want to get the penalty here from YouTube for having a song I don't have permission to use on YouTube, but on TikTok it seems to be okay. So I don't have to press select song here. It already has a song. I could press next and press upload. And if you don't want this InShot watermark, they do have a paid option if you're going to use this all the time. Now, if you don't want to do any of these things, which I recommended, what you could do is while you're on TikTok here, you could actually just play a song in the background while you record your video. So I could go to my computer, press play on a song, and then I could just press record here. And with no talking, the song and the video will be used together like that. It just wouldn't sound really as good as the other options I showed you, so that's why I saved this till the end. But that is the other option you could do, to play a song from some other device or even from your phone at the same time as recording the video. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for daily social media videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching this one.